What's going on? Psych Perspectives, GeoFucks in the house, and I just want to make a quick video discussing the U.S. Supreme Court case, discussing LGBTQ plus rights, and especially pertaining to the workplace. And they're arguing on whether employers, jobs can fire people because of their gender or sexuality. So when folks sit up and say, well, homophobia, that's not real. Transphobia, that's not real. People don't have to like you. People don't have to agree with you. It's not that big of a deal. It's just a joke. This is why it's a big deal, because yes, it is legal to fire people because of their sexuality. It is legal to fire people because of their gender. So there are trans people who are literally kept out of getting jobs and kept from being able to make a living and provide for themselves because you're transphobia. There are people who are forced to be in the closet, forced to not be able to live their true lives in fear that they're going to lose their job, in fear that they're going to be killed on the streets, disowned by family and friends. All kinds of things happen to people because of their sexuality, because of their gender. And the fact that so many of y'all think it's a joke, okay, this is no different. And I'm going to keep saying, that's why I said it's really the pot calling the kettle black. This is no different than jobs who sit up and literally say they're equal opportunity employers, but then when you look at their staff is overwhelmingly white. So you have to ask yourself, you mean to tell me nobody of color has applied for jobs here? Okay, another thing, when you look at a person's employee staff and it's overwhelmingly men, you mean to tell me no women applied here? No feminine people applied here? Yeah. So this is why it's so important that you check your bigotry, you check your homophobia, your transphobia, your classism, your racism, your sexism, your misogyny, because a lot of these, it's just a joke, well, I have a right to an opinion, ends up becoming law of land, and people end up losing their lives and opportunities because of your bigotry. I mean, damn. So I'm not supposed to be able to have a job and take care of myself because you're transphobic? I'm not supposed to have a job and take care of myself because you're homophobic? I'm not supposed to have a job and take care of myself because you're racist? Like, that's the shit that we have to deal with on a daily basis, and y'all sitting up here thinking everything is a joke. And then these are also the same people who, well, voting isn't important, voting doesn't matter. Yet, if voting is not important, why are Republicans and conservatives spending years, decades, doing everything in their power to take away the right to vote or make it extremely difficult for people to vote? Again, y'all need to start thinking, okay? Anyways, I'm just making this video, I'm keeping it short. I'm not going all crazy like I tend to do. But I'm just making this video to let people know today the U.S. Supreme Court is looking at the case in regards to LGBTQ plus individuals and our rights and our opportunities to resources that every other group of people has. So y'all need to pay attention and be informed instead of just sitting up, but Dave Chappelle was just playing. Yeah, and I guess Amber Geiger was just playing too, right? Y'all better get real. This shit's not a joke. People are out here making decisions without your input. And guess what? Your life is the one that's on the line. Wake up.